Charles or Chuck Yeager was born on February 13, 1923 in Mira, West Virginia. He enlisted in the U.S. Army Air Forces in 1941 and worked as an aircraft mechanic before earning his pilot's wings 2 years later. After, he was assigned to the 357th Fighter Group and trained as a fighter pilot with the Bell P-39 era Cobra. Stationed at the 8th Air Force in England, he had 13 victories, and 5 of them were achieved on a single mission. In 1944, Yeager was shot down in France and safely escaped to Spain before returning to England. During the next year, he was assigned to the Army Air Force's Flight Test Center at Wright Field, Ohio, and married Glennis Dickhouse and had 4 children together. Post-World War II, Yeager was a test pilot at Merrick Army Airfield, now Edwards Air Force Base, and became the first person to break the sound barrier at 700 miles per hour in 1947. He successfully piloted the Bell X-1 rocket faster than the speed of sound, and a few years later, set a new airspeed record of 1,650 miles per hour. Yeager, along with test pilot and acting backup pilot Bob Hoover and project engineer Jack Ridley, made the groundbreaking flight possible. He named the rocket for the infamous feat Glamorous Glennis after his wife. Yeager was awarded the Mackay and Collier trophies, as well as the Harmon International Trophy for his incredible triumph. In 1955, he commanded the F-86H Sabre-equipped 417th Fighter Bomber Squadron in Germany and France, and was designated commander of the Air Force Test Pilot School at Edwards Air Force Base in 1961. Later, in 1966, Yeager commanded the 405th Fighter Wing, flying several combat missions in Vietnam. By 1975, Yeager retired from the Air Force and again broke the sound barrier in 1997, and later in 2012 as a passenger of a F-15 Eagle. He has written 2 autobiographies and was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom in retirement. Yeager remarried in 2003 and resides in California.